How to remove admin access from Facebook page. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can remove the admin access from the Facebook page. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first of all, you need to open up your browser and type in facebook.com. After that, you need to switch up to your Facebook page account. After switching up, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So after that, what I want you to do is head over to the professional dashboard and click on it, and here you'll be able to see very different kind of options here. So I just want you to go to the left side of the screen, and when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see this page access option. Just tap on it and wait for it to load first. After that, here you'll be easily able to see this manage and view access here. So here you are able to see these people with Facebook access, which means that is the admin of the person. So here, if you have given any person here, you'll be able to see an admin here. You just need to tap on the three dot beside that person, and when you tap on it, you should be able to see and remove option. Just click on it and you should be able to remove it. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to do it. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.